Welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Right here, I'm running a Python application. I'm gonna be running a Python application. I'm gonna show you we're just having a Flask application with simple APIs. There's this importing the app for running, so this is pretty simple. So so simple to run a Python application. You do something like that. I'm listing what I have here. So like you can write just Python, and you have the run. It's the server, so you can check here the web preview. So here you have the application. So all right, so what I'm gonna do in fill, I'm gonna open another directory here. I'm gonna create a link for this folder. So where we are exactly here, the whole structure, and I have this worker. Okay, what's gonna do? It's going to have another environment that's going to activate a virtual environment. Okay, and it's going to run this guy. So let's run this guy. So we're running the worker. Here you have the Python application and the worker. So right here, we're going to take a test. Let's choose places, which is the capital. And again, click here. Let's submit the answer and send here. Is asking a feedback. I'm gonna rate 1 for them. Okay, whatever. So the button's not working exactly, but we can stop that. Probably it's gonna throw here any problem. So the SPI didn't return an answer. Gonna fix that in fill. But you can see that we're gonna interface with those stuff. And in fill, we're gonna be fixing that. So I'm gonna be working on that right now. So what we're gonna do, let's kind to pop some topics that what we need to work on. Click on pub sub. Actually, that should work, but it's complain about API feedback method. Let's check this right now. This should pass, so it should retrieve the feedback and done. Whatever. From the Flask application, okay, just import the app. Static. Okay, so Chris controller. There's an error on the HTML. Okay, not gonna be fix this problem of Angular right now. Let's even with the GCP. SQL file. So the send feedback is not working as expected. Problem on the code, that's not a problem. Okay, but let's go ahead. Let's stop the server. Let's create a pub subtopic. There's no topic here. It would create G-Cloud pub subscriptions, create the worker subscription with the top feedback, so we don't have the feedback topic. So what we need to do, we need to come here and create a topic. Okay, there's no CMAC key. Can even leave the full subscription. I'm gonna remove these. Here we have the feedback topic. I was going to create a subscription for that topic. You could create a subscription. Now you do have it. Simple. And I'm going to publish a message on that topic. They're saying hello world. Okay, G-Cloud pub subtopics publish a feedback. This is the topic, of course, in the message. Okay. And now we can see we can retrieve a message from PubSub. We could even go into the subscription, into messages, and pull that. We're going to do as a command line. Okay, you have the data. If you pull out here, even you may enable the acknowledgement. So let's send it again. Worker, hello word 2. Let's pull from here. Hello word 2, and then you try to pull from here. Of course, not going to. You can even pull from here. You could see if I acknowledge that, you can see there's nothing here. Hello word 2, that line exceeded, whatever. So this is what I would like to share. Let's continue on the next lab. We're gonna fix some things here and we'll continue in the next lab.